We spend so much time hooked in front of our screens, maybe on social media, to scroll for memes or get daily updates from your friends and family. Watch your favorite series and movies, and play games from morning to night. That said, there's so much more to the internet than just these things. Today, I will show you 10 websites you can go to make money in the comfort of your own home. Hi there! Welcome to Make Wired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. Make Wired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Are you tired of working long and painful hours in your 9-to-5 job while getting enough money just to get by barely? If so, then I highly suggest watching this video. If you have the option to supplement your cash flow by just going to the specific websites on the internet, wouldn't you take it too? So let's get to the video. There are generally two methods to earn money. Active income is the first method. With active income, it functions like a typical 9-to-5 employment. Only the work you perform results in payment. Simply put, if you don't work, you don't get paid. Through passive income, there is a second method. This is my preferred way because with active income, all you have to do is put in the effort once. The money should keep coming in without you having to put in any more work other than marketing what you have done or, in some situations, what others have made. Number 1. Upwork.com. Freelancers website called Upwork.com. You are actively earning money. Many professionals and businesses outsource to Upwork, including article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. The beauty of all this is that there is a minimal entrance barrier. If there is something you are skilled at, such as graphic design, coding, or just about any other talent, here's a suggestion if you're considering working on Upwork. Create a strong, appealing profile. You will have a far higher chance of ever receiving job offers from potential clients if you do this. Making the most of your experiences or showcasing your outstanding work will make you stand out. Number 2. Fiverr. Because Fiverr is a straightforward website to start earning money, you have undoubtedly heard of it a lot. But if you haven't, it's a freelance website where you can virtually outsource anything for as low as $5, provided it's legal. Just to name a few, there are several ways to make money on Fiverr. Animations, logo design, packaging design, web design, social media design, photo editing, architecture, floor planning, 3D model design, product design, t-shirt design, and SEO are just a few things you may do. You can probably discover everything that can be outsourced on Fiverr.com. Number 3. Rover. Do you enjoy spending time with animals? In particular, a dog? If so, you ought to consider looking at Rover. A dog sitting service called Rover is presently only accessible in the United States and Canada. Therefore, if you reside in any of those two nations, you can register as a dog sitter and earn money for watching pets. You may earn between $80 and $100 simply by pet sitting. Number 4. ClickBank. To earn money online, affiliates and product developers can offer their products on the ClickBank marketplace. The beauty of ClickBank is that it only provides digital goods, yet the commission payout is significantly bigger than that of Amazon. Remember that while some affiliates may pay you up to 75% for selling their services, others may only pay you 5%. You can still earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars on ClickBank. Simply go to ClickBank, choose an item to sell, and begin making money. Number 5. Flippa.com. The best marketplace for buying and selling online businesses is Flippa. It's an auction site similar to eBay for individuals selling and purchasing digital assets like websites, applications, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. It draws a sizable audience and provides excellent tools to boost awareness. You can sell your apps or even websites online and earn money if you are excellent at creating them. Or even better, you may use Flippa to purchase websites, applications, or e-commerce stores that are already profitable. If you have some extra cash to spare, you put a bid just as you would on eBay. And if your bid is the biggest, then congrats! You just bought yourself an internet company. The sale of online enterprise is another way to generate income. So there you have it. Flippa. Number 6. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a marketplace where you can purchase or sell digital media, like images, audio, and video snippets. Primarily produced by independent contractors and other parties, capture stunning photos and movies if you're incredibly talented in photography. Or if you're excellent at producing sick beats, you can make money on Shutterstock. Every time someone buys one of your photos on Shutterstock, you get paid a commission, ranging from a few cents to a few dollars if you're lucky. Shutterstock can be very lucrative, but the key is continuously publishing excellent photos. Number 7. Etsy. Yes, Etsy is one of the best platforms to make passive income. With $0 in investment and sell forever, you can easily create a digital planner, be it self-care planner or fitness planner. You can create this for free on Canva and sell it as digital download product on Etsy. Let me know in the comments down if you guys want a step-by-step tutorials on this. Number 8. TakeLessons.com. On the website Take Lessons, you may teach any skill. Everyone has a talent they can share with others, whether it's teaching someone a language, how to cook, how to play an instrument, how to solve a challenging math problem, or anything else. You can start earning money by teaching others on Take Lessons. Anything you believe they might not know. Number 9. Drop shipping. Drop shipping essentially entails selling someone else's goods for a little or significant profit without having to handle the shipment. So, in essence, you are serving as a broker or middleman. You may accomplish this by launching a Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, eBay, Amazon, even Amazon. Do some research before starting. You establish a store through which customers can purchase goods from you. After customers buy from you, you pay the manufacturer, typically for much less than you get paid, and have them ship the item to the buyer, all without ever having to see or handle the product. Dropshipping's biggest feature is that you can choose your pricing for the item you wish to sell, keep the profits, and then pay the manufacturer for a fraction of your selling price. Number 10. YouTube. If you're considering using YouTube to make money, due to the new regulations, if you want to monetize your newly created channel, you must first exceed the minimum level set by YouTube. You will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours during the previous 12 months. How much money can you make on YouTube after you reach that point? As much as you want. The longer the video, the more money you may anticipate making. You can make anywhere from $1 to thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars, as long as you keep uploading high-quality content that others would watch. As your video views increase, you may anticipate more money and gaining more followers. Making a few videos on YouTube will start you earning passive revenue, which should continue to do so over time. Paid sponsorships are another way to monetize your YouTube channel. but you typically need lots of subscribers to qualify. Affiliate marketing is another way you can add affiliate links to your description and show your subscribers how you can simplify their life with these affiliate promotions or how to make money with these affiliates. And thus, there you have it. Websites you can go to for free to make money. Quite simple, right? I hope you can pick up many things from this video. Do you want to know more ways to make money online? Let me know in the comments so I can make more videos about it next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!